Hello friends, I'm Peanut. Today let's explore the garden and discover some amazing things. So come on, let's explore the objects in the garden. Part 1. Tree. Tree. A tree gives us shade, fruits, flowers and homes to birds. 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 Birds love gardens. They sing, eat seeds, and build their nests in trees. Butterflies. Butterflies. Butterflies love to drink nectar from flowers. Flower pot. Flower pot. A flower pot is where plants and flowers grow. Flowers. Flowers. Flowers make the garden bright and beautiful. Bees. Bees. Bees have flowers grow by carrying pollen. Bush. Bush. A bush is a small leafy plant that makes the garden look pretty. Soil. Soil. Soil helps plants grow strong and healthy. Seeds. Seeds. Seeds grow into plants and trees. Watering can. Watering can. A watering can helps us water the plants. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of the different objects in the garden. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Peach Peanut Poppy.